Hey everyone. Woo! I want to tell you that this is going to be the first video that's posted. I'm Mike, and I want to welcome you to From Love to Legacy, where this channel, we're going to talk about a lot of things and we're going to hit some nerves, but we're also going to laugh. And the goal here is to grow. I'm going to be completely honest with you. I've been struggling with launching this. It hasn't been easy. And I'm gonna have to be, transparent. So bear with me. It's not easy as it is, but I'm dedicated to making that happen. And I procrastinated. I should have started this channel a long time ago. I think like 3-4 years ago. God put it in my heart, and I've made up all types of excuses. I was like, oh yeah, but this, or I don't have the equipment, or I don't know what I'm doing. Having YouTube right there. And you know how many YouTube channels I watched to get this started? And there was no action behind it. And I've made up all types of excuses, like I said, from it's not the perfect time. And the reality is the perfect time never came. So I'm here, Crane's Ruth, making this video, because it's not easy, but guess what? I'm doing it. I'm done negotiating with myself and my comfort zone. I'm taking the leap, trusting God, trusting the process, because He's already told me to do it. I'm tired of making excuses and making it about everything else but me. He's already laid this all out. I'm just now getting to the table, if you know what I mean. I didn't even want to walk in the door of the house because I was scared. And I walk in and the table's already laid out. This whole time I've been hungry. And I just want to say, this channel is about the journey of handling your business. And when I say business, I don't only mean like financial. I'm talking about handling your business, your responsibilities, tapping into God, yourself, your family, your actual business, your day-to-day, the things that you're doing, your career, which lead to wealth. These are the pillars that I've chosen, or better said, God chose them, and He put it in me to put these out. And it's Him, God, the Almighty. It starts with Him, the relationship, the people around you that are of the same community, and even those that are not. We tend to focus on only people that we can relate to. And the reality is there's so many people out there that may not be where you're at, but guess what? You're not where a lot of people are at. So it's a collective. It's something that we're doing together. The next one is self. And there's this thing going around about mental health and how it's impacting everyone. I think that accountability is huge, and it's something that I've struggled with in certain aspects of my life, because it's easier. I don't know how many of you have felt like that. It's easier, not necessarily not to be accountable, but to not face it because it hurts. It's about the other things that we'll cover under health is physical health, what you're eating, working out, taking care of you, being around others that are going to motivate you, push you, but you still have to have the discipline. Fitness, like I said, mental health, family is the next pillar. Doing right by the unit, your parents, your siblings, your friends, if you have kids, your kids, setting that stage, that foundation, and focusing on that supportive system. A lot of times we tend to kind of shun away, from our friends because we don't want them to know, our family, because it hurts to let them know that we've failed or that we're going through something. But talk to somebody, who you can talk to. Start with God and let Him guide you, but talk to somebody because He's put these people in your life for a reason. Business is the next pillar. Business, like I said before, it's about handling your business, taking care of your responsibilities, from your career to the responsibilities that are on the table for you to focus on, as well as if you want to start a business, be responsible, provide a service, provide a product, whatever it is you're going to do, go for it. And in turn, it's going to lead to wealth. And not only financial wealth, abundance of health, connections, and just things that you can't even imagine. We'll come back a year from today or whenever you watch this video and you really start putting these things into place, I promise you, it's not going to be the same for you. Go for it. You got it. You know, I'll tell you this. If you've been sitting on a dream or even a set of instructions from God and you've been making excuses, believe me, go for it. It may be uncomfortable. I'm telling you this because I'm finally taking the leap and it feels good. You know, don't worry about what nobody else is thinking with the people around you or even yourself. Like it really does starts with you. Don't worry about that. No more excuses. We're going to stop the procrastination, the talking to yourself negatively. We're going to tap into some areas that hurt because you don't know how to handle it or you know, because it brings up some type of trauma. But I just want you to focus on love and the ability that God has given you to overcome these things. You know, I just want to take a second and I want you to pray with me really quick. Some of you can repeat it. You can stay silent. You can pause it. And this is what I have for you. Father, I thank you for your grace. You've already provided so much, even though I didn't deserve it. I admit I've been procrastinating and putting off the work that you've called me to do. I'm sorry. I'm here and I'm asking you to give me the strength and the obedience, you know, to stay focused on the clear path that you set in front of me, even though I can't see it. But I know that you're here with me every step of the way. Thank you. And I love you. Amen. Hey, remember, if you have a dream that you've been sitting on, go for it. Don't let nothing get in the way, especially you. You got this. Give yourself some love.